Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare whey protein versus chicken breast. We'll start by looking at their fundamental protein content. A typical scoop of whey protein powder delivers approximately 25 grams of high-quality protein. In contrast, a standard 3.5-ounce serving of cooked chicken breast offers about 31 grams. Both sources are excellent for muscle building and recovery, providing all the essential amino acids your body needs. Next, let's consider how quickly your body processes these protein sources. Whey protein is renowned for its rapid digestion and absorption, making it ideal for a quick post-workout protein boost. Chicken breast, on the other hand, offers a slower, more sustained release of amino acids. This difference means whey can quickly kickstart muscle repair, while chicken provides a longer-lasting supply, which is great for satiety and overall daily intake. Now, let's talk about convenience and cost, two practical factors. Whey protein is incredibly convenient. You can mix it quickly and consume it almost anywhere. Chicken breast, while versatile, always requires some preparation and cooking. When it comes to cost, prices fluctuate, but often, whey protein can be more expensive per gram of protein than bulk chicken breast, especially if you're buying premium brands. Consider your lifestyle and budget. Finally, let's look at the broader nutritional picture and practical applications. Chicken breast provides more than just protein. It's rich in B vitamins, iron, and other essential nutrients. Whey protein is a more isolated source, primarily delivering protein with minimal fats or carbs. Both have their place in a balanced diet. For those looking to streamline their healthy eating, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals to help you stay on track with your fitness goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.